friends, today we are going to see about applications of electronic communications. The electronic devices and their uses have influenced our daily life in such a way that it is impossible to spend even a few hours without them. Right from the beginning of the day till the time we go to bed, we use a large number of electronic gadgets to simplify our work and to solve our problems. From small alarm watches to the complex computers, from mobile to the camcorders, from kitchen to toilet, from bedroom to office, everywhere electronic items can be seen. Now, today we will start from the application of electronic communication by using radio broadcasting. In radio broadcasting, radio broadcast stations use radio waves to transmit information to the home listener. Commercial station broadcast music, news, and weather programs or weather reports. As well as other programs information. This is the type of simplex communication. Remember that this is the type of simplex communication. Now, next one is that TV broadcasting. In television broadcast, the visual information in the scenes is converted to an electronic video signal and then transmitted to the home viewers. With the help of receivers, received video signal is converted into corresponding picture element. Originally, the technique of television were developed for commercial broadcasting. Which started in 1941. Commercial station broadcast a wide variety of entertainment and informational programs. The abilities to reproduce pictures electronically are proved to be very useful, and hence many more applications of television are now used for education, industry, business, and business communication. Next one is that cable television. Television broadcast is in VHF and UHF band. It is found that at high frequencies, the distance for wireless transmission becomes much shorter. Broadcasting is practically limited to line of light distance between the transmission and receiving antenna. A cable television system provides broadcasting service by a network of coaxial cable. Coaxial cable are used because its shielding eliminates pickup interference or radiation by the line. The cable supplies at least 1 millivolt of signal for strong picture. Cable companies does the disturbance of entertainment programs, movies, sports, provides entertainment programs, movies, sports, events, news, and many more to subscribers by coaxial cables. Next one, wireless or remote control. A mechanism that controls missiles, satellites, robots, robots, toys, and other remote plants. Or station. A garage door opener is a special form of remote control that uses a tiny battery operated transmitter. TV and VCR controls are the examples of wireless or remote control. Next one is that navigation and direction finding services. In navigation and direction finding services, we require to identify exact location. Latitude and longitude, as well as we need to determine direction of distance from a station. Highly direction antennas or loop antennas are used. Also special transmitters and receivers are used. For this, the service are used by boats, ships and aeroplanes, which is used in ships, boats and aeroplanes. Next one is that telemetry. It means transmission of measurement over a long distance. Telemetry system uses sensors to determine physical conditions such as temperature, pressure, flow rate, voltage, frequency, and many more at a remote location. The sensors modulate carrier signal that is sent by wire or radio to a remote receiver that displays the data for analysis. Telemetry system permits remote equipment system to be monitored for the purpose of determining their status and condition. Satellite, rockets and factories use telemetry systems. Next application for electronic communication is radio astronomy. The stars and planets in the heaven emits radio signal. Stars, planets emit radio signal including infrared, with the use of large directional antennas and sensitive high-gain receivers. This signal may be picked up and used to plot star location and to study the universe. Such radio astronomy is an alternative and supplement to traditional optical astronomy. That is, it is used in optical astronomy. near Pune, Khodad is a center for giant meter wave radio telescope, that is which is called as GMRT station, one leading radio astronomy center in the world. Next one is that surveillance. Surveillance means discrete monitoring or spying. Electronic techniques are widely used for police force, governments, military, and industries and other gather information for the purpose of gaining some competitive advantage. Techniques include phone taps, tiny wireless bugs, and many more. These are the use for the application of surveillance. Now next one is that agriculture. With increase in a global warming, electronics has proved very useful to solve these problems in of agriculture. Today many devices and systems are built with combination of electronics and different other techniques to monitor a crop. Like e-agri sensor center and other sensor for sensing the crop above and below the land, and also post harvest crop. This sensor monitor the crop quality as well as the needs for crop during agriculture. There are also several other electronic gadgets which are used for measuring the level of crop, nutrition level in soil, and also salinity of soil. That means in the agriculture communication, electronic communication is very important part of that to monitor a crop. Next one, commercial. With advancement of electronic communication, last few decades, electronics has also made its ways into commercial sectors, advertising, heating, air conditioning, power supplies, computer, office, equipments, elevators, light dimmer, UPS, central refrigeration, all are simple application of electronic in commercial sector. That means in our home there are several many gadgets are available, so these are the included in commercial. That means AC, that is air conditioning, computer which is also called as a PC, that is personal computer, light dimmer, aerospace industry. Today with advancement in electronic in the field of aerospace has opened many impossible ways to human. Electronics is widely used in aerospace such as space shuttle, satellite, aircraft, power management. Even in commercial airlines, there are hundreds of instruments which are used to measure different physical factors like temperature, pressure, elevation, and many more. Power electronics have huge contribution in space station and satellites. They all deal with power supply and management. That means in aerospace industry, we use electronic communication as a space shuttle, satellite aircraft, and power management. So all over we can say that electronics has made advancement tremendous advancement during last few decades, and our day-to-day life involves the use of electronic devices. Electronics has play a major role in every sphere of our life. This can be proved with the following or above the applications of electronics. Few decades ago, application of electronics was in the field of telephone and telegraphy. But recently we see that so many applications are available in electronic communication with the radio waves, and radar is also example for detection and ranging. Detection and ranging is the most important development in electronics field. With the help of radar, it is possible to detect and find the exact location of enemy aircraft. Radar and anti-craft guns can be linked by an automatic control system to make a complete unit. Electronic circuits are widely being used in industrial applications and many more sectors. So some examples for duplex communications we can discuss. Duplex communication or two-way communication. Telephone is an example for duplex communication. In the telephone system is the longest and most complex electronic communication. Next one, fax, the transmission of printed visual material over the telephone line. Two-way radio, commercial, industrial and governmental communication between vehicles and base station or between two stations from two-way radio. Radar is also example for that. These are the example for duplex communication. Thank you.